Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the place where English becomes your superpower. I'm Audhi.
Hey, Audhi. Hi, everyone. So happy to be here with you all today.
Hi, Rosie. You seem really enthusiastic today.
Am I? I'm absolutely about our conversation topic.
Oh, me too. It's something we all need to practice.
Absolutely. But before we dive in, a quick reminder to follow our channel.
Yes, please hit that like button and share this with other learners. Your support means everything.
It truly does. Okay, Audhi, are you set?
I'm all set. So, what's our focus today?
Today, we're exploring the question, can you tell me about yourself?
Oh, perfect. That one pops up everywhere.
It does. In interviews, at social gatherings, in new classes.
Exactly. And it can make people feel a bit to get it right.
Well, today we'll turn that anxiety into confidence. Let's make it engaging.
I love that. So, who begins? You or me?
Why don't you kick things off, Audhi? Can you tell me about yourself?
All right, here I go. First, when I identify my core feeling, I'd say I'm grateful to be here. My name is Audhi.
Wonderful to meet you, Audhi. I'm Rosie.
And it's great to meet you, Rosie. Next logical question. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I feel a real sense of about my home.
Australia. Amazing. I'm from the UK. Just thinking of the countryside there makes me feel nostalgic.
The UK! Fantastic! Do you live in a bustling city?
I live in a coastal town. The sound of the waves is so for me. How about you, Rosie?
I live in the city center. It's dynamic and fast-paced, which makes me feel energized.
What a contrast! The serene coast and the vibrant city.
Indeed. So, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I have a small apartment. It has a little balcony where I grow herbs. Tending to them is a form of mindfulness for me.
A balcony garden, how lovely! I live in a shared house. Is your apartment spacious?
Not at all. It's quite cozy, but it's my own space. I feel truly content there.
That's what matters. So, we've covered name, origin, and home. What's next?
How about we share our ages, Rosie? Only if you're comfortable.
Completely comfortable. I'm 27 years old. I feel quite confident at this stage in life.
27. Wonderful.
And you, Audhi? How old are you?
I'm 29 years old. I'm feeling really optimistic about this age.
29 is a brilliant age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, now for a significant one.
I'm listening.
What is your profession, Rosie?
I'm a software developer. Solving complex problems gives me a real sense of accomplishment.
A developer, of course. And you use those skills right here on our channel.
That's right. I help create our learning tools. I'm very passionate about it.
That's fantastic. It's such valuable work.
Thank you. What about you, Audhi? What do you do?
I'm a freelance writer.
A writer? What do you enjoy writing about?
I specialize in science articles. Making complex topics easy to understand is deeply satisfying for me.
Wow, science writing. That's incredible. Do you love your work?
I really do. It's challenging and rewarding. It constantly sparks my curiosity.
I can see that. A developer and a writer.
A perfect partnership for a podcast.
Absolutely. So we have name, home, age, and work. What else shall we explore?
Let's discuss family.
Family is a wonderful topic. Do you have any siblings, Audhi?
I do. I have a younger sister. Her name is Maya. Just talking about her makes me feel affectionate.
Maya. Is she older or younger?
She's younger. She's 25, so there's a 4-year gap. What about you, Rosie? Any brothers or sisters?
I have an older brother. His name is Daniel. I've always admired him.
Daniel. That's a strong name. Is he older or younger?
He's older. He's 35. He works in healthcare.
Oh, really? What does he do?
He's a doctor. He finds his work very fulfilling.
A doctor. That's such a noble profession.
Yes, I'm very proud of him. My mother is a librarian.
A librarian. That is amazing. And your father?
My father is an engineer. I have great respect for his logical mind.
An engineer. Wow. A family of problem solvers.
Oh, Adi, thank you. Adi, what about your parents?
My mother is a botanist. She studies plants. Her work requires immense patience.
Oh, that is fascinating. Wonderful.
Yes. And my father is a photographer. He travels often.
A photographer. Does he show you his pictures?
All the time. His landscapes always give me a sense of wonder. I can imagine. That is so cool. So we have family. Now how about pets?
Pets? I adore animals. Do you have a pet, Adi?
I do. I have a rabbit. Spending quiet time with her is a great way for me to de-stress.
A rabbit. I love rabbits. What is her name?
Her name is Shiro. She's very gentle and a little shy.
Oh, Shiro. What does she look like?
She's white with gray spots. A small, quiet companion.
That sounds adorable. I'd love to meet Shiro.
Maybe one day. Do you have a pet, Rosie?
I do. I have a parrot. Interacting with him is incredibly stimulating for me.
A parrot? How interesting. A rabbit person and a parrot person.
It's true. His name is Rio.
Rio. That's a fun name. What does he look like?
He's bright green and very talkative. He's full of personality.
A talkative parrot. That must be entertaining.
Yes. He makes me laugh every day. It's a joyful life.
It sounds like it.
Okay, so we know a lot now. Name, age, work, family, pets. Now, let's talk about favorites, the things we love.
Brilliant idea. This is the enjoyable part. Let's begin with food.
Yes. Okay, Adi, what is your favorite food?
That's a tough one. I enjoy so many different cuisines.
Just pick one.
Okay. I think my favorite food is sushi. Eating it is a real treat for me.
Sushi. An excellent choice. I love sushi too.
What kind do you prefer?
I love salmon nigiri. It's so simple and delicious.
That sounds fresh and healthy. I'm a big fan of spicy tuna rolls. The kick is invigorating. A classic with a punch. Great choice. So, is sushi your favorite too?
It's definitely in my top 3. But my ultimate favorite food is Thai green curry. I find it so comforting.
Ah, curry is a marvelous choice. So flavorful.
Yes, I can't get enough of it. Okay, next favorite. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is deep purple, like twilight. It makes me feel inspired.
Purple is a very creative and royal color. I like it.
Thank you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is sunny yellow. It instantly makes me feel cheerful.
Yellow, like sunshine and daffodils.
Exactly. It's the color of happiness and optimism.
That's beautiful. Purple twilight and yellow sunshine. A great pair.
They are.
Okay, what's next? Favorite animal?
This is simple for me. My favorite animal is an owl. I find them so wise.
Of course, because they are known for wisdom.
Yes, they are mysterious and intelligent. What about you? Is your favorite animal a parrot?
It is. I love parrots. They are so sociable and clever.
Sociable. That's the perfect word for them. They are.
Okay, I think. Enough for today.
So, before we finish, a small request for our incredible audience.
That's right. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to Varada English and give us a like. It helps others discover our community.
And please, share it with a friend who's on their English journey. Let's grow together.
And for today's challenge, we want you to take action.
Yes. Head to the comments and tell us one thing about yourself. Maybe, my name is, I feel excited when or my hobby makes me feel relaxed. We can't wait to read them.
We would be so delighted to read your comments and learn what makes you.
It will be a joy to connect with you all.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, everyone. It was a joy. Take care and keep expressing yourselves.
We'll be back soon with more English adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Audie.